Ayan, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you or teach you how to make your own beautiful thumbnail. Kasi madalas madami nagtatanong nito, and I just want to share to you this free Canva site wherein you can edit many pictures. It's for free. All you have to do is to type Canva, and then you can click browse templates. You can see lots of templates. You can make lots of things in this site. Also, this account is verified because as a teacher, I submitted my ID from my recent academies or my recent working school, and they accepted it. So I have more editable features. And then you can go to your own design. I'm just gonna click my recent design. All you have to do is to click new. So this is my past vlogs. Kung gusto nyo matutunan itong white lining, I'm gonna teach you now. So let's start. Just click to the blank side and then make it white. And then we can get a logo from Preply. You can type Preply background. And then you can search for a good picture. Then copy it. Then paste it. Control V. You can resize it. You can also use transparency to make it lighter. Yan. And then you can click edit image. You can use this editable setting for a nice picture. You can use the blur button to make it blurred. And then you can upload your pictures here. Just drag it or click it. I'm just gonna use this picture. Put it aside. Resize it all you want. Edit image. BG remover or background remover. Click it. And then voila! The magic happens. Again, you can resize it. Also, again, click the edit image. Click shadows. Click glow. Click the setting button to adjust its settings. Click the size, your desired size of the lining. Transparency, make it 100. And the blur, make it 0. click color white. So that's the problem if your background is white, but you can make it good if you click again the edit image. But before that, we're going to put words here. So I'm looking for a rectangular shape for the background of my words or the title. Yeah. For example, we have color yellow. Just put it aside. Click the picture, put it to the left side, edit image, shadows. And then voila, it will lift. Yeah. Now it's visible. The lining is visible. Okay, all you have to do is to click text to put text to the background. You can also choose the color you like to the document color section. Now I chose this it's like a light blue, sea blue, and then I clicked text and add a heading. For example, officially hired. Just resize it and then fit it to the background. You can also change the font. This is my favorite font, Best Light. And then the logo of Preply. Just adjust it. Click again the rectangular shape background, and then just copy the title. And then you can edit the title. Okay, and then resize it. I have a trust issue, so I'm gonna check whether the spelling is correct or not. Okay, it's correct, so let's move on. So if you want to put a border, you can also put it. But here, you can put the year. You can also add design, and it'll be pretty, more pretty. Just choose your own kind of design. It's up to you. I chose this pink balloon. It looks cool. Also, putting borders can do or will do. I'm sorry. It's so thick. Okay, there's no border for me. a lot. It's not visible because it's very thin. You can download it and just unclick the pages 25. Just click the page 5 and then done. Download. Yeah, so it'll be downloaded directly to your downloads. Voila. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you like it and give it a thumbs up. Click the notification button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you next time. Goodbye and God bless.